AI will slowly displace jobs, starting with the most boring, tedious, and repetitive. People are wondering if AI is going to replace their job, and there is a good reason for this worry. I believe AI will eventually replace most jobs. However, new jobs will be created due to AI. Here is the list of jobs AI is mostly likely to replace soon. AI automation of jobs. AI has the potential to automate and replace a wide range of jobs that involve repetitive or routine tasks, as well as those that require data processing or decision-making based on set rules or patterns. Some examples of jobs that AI may eventually replace or significantly alter include data entry and processing. AI can process and categorize large volumes of data much faster and more accurately than humans. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots can provide basic customer support, answer frequently asked questions, and direct customers to the appropriate department or resource. Transportation and logistics. Autonomous vehicles and drones can replace human drivers and pilots for transportation and delivery tasks. Manufacturing and assembly line work. Robots and automated systems can perform repetitive tasks in manufacturing, assembly, and other industrial settings. Stock trading and financial analysis. AI can analyze financial data and market trends to make predictions and inform investment decisions. Legal research. AI can analyze legal documents and precedents to assist lawyers and legal professionals in research and case preparation. Medical diagnostics and imaging. AI can analyze medical images and data to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases and conditions. Accounting and bookkeeping. AI can automate financial data entry and processing, as well as assist in tax preparation and auditing. It's worth noting that while AI may eventually replace or alter certain jobs, it can also create new jobs and opportunities in fields such as AI development, data analysis, and robotics. Are there other jobs that AI is going to replace in the future? What other jobs will it create?